Why is my HVAC system making a hissing sound? A hissing sound usually means air or refrigerant is escaping, or there is a restriction inside the system that needs attention. A hiss can come from a few different places, and the sound alone does not always tell the whole story. If it happens near the indoor unit, it might be air moving through a small leak, a loose connection, or a dirty filter that is making the air push through too tightly. If it comes from the outdoor unit or lines, it can point to a refrigerant leak, which is more serious because your system needs that special fluid to cool your home. Sometimes the noise happens when the system starts or stops, and that can be normal for a brief moment because pressure changes inside the pipes. But if the sound is steady, getting louder, or your home is not cooling well, that is a sign something is wrong. One thing many people do not know is that a frozen evaporator coil can also make odd hissing or whistling sounds when airflow gets blocked. A good first step is to check your air filter. Listen for where the sound is loudest and look for ice, water, or weak airflow. If you smell a chemical odor, sea ice, or the system runs longer than usual, it is time to call a qualified technician. A common mistake is ignoring the sound because the system still runs, but small problems often get bigger and more expensive fast. A simple tip is to pay attention to whether the hiss is constant or only happens at startup, because that helps narrow down the cause. Another mistake is changing the thermostat settings again and again, when the real issue may be airflow or a leak. A better move is to leave the settings steady and check the filter before making more changes. People also sometimes assume every hiss is harmless air noise, but refrigerant leaks can hurt performance and should never be put off. If the hissing is near a line set or keeps coming back, have it inspected soon. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.